How to find your HP laptop name, product number, and serial number. If you are interacting with HP support and need to acquire this information for your laptop, there are a few different ways that you can find it. Before we begin, it's important to understand the difference between a laptop name, product number, and serial number. The laptop name or model identifies the components used to build a group of laptops. The product number, or SKU, identifies your HP laptop within a model number series and establishes the regions where that laptop is sold. The serial number is unique to an individual laptop and is used to check warranty information and track repair, service, and order history. Having all of this information on hand is very helpful when you are seeking support or service for your computer. Check the following locations to find your laptop name and numbers. Check the computer and packaging. Check your laptop, its labels, and your original packaging material to find the identifying numbers for your HP laptop. Most HP laptops have this information either stamped or stickered on the device itself. Check the rear of the laptop or the kickstand if your laptop has one. For laptops with removable batteries, check the battery compartment. To do this, power off the laptop, open the battery compartment, remove the battery, and then look inside for your laptop name and number. If you still have the box your computer shipped in, read and review all labels on the box for your laptop information. Use HP Support Assistant. HP Support Assistant comes pre-installed on new Windows-based HP computers or can be installed by going to hp.com/go/HP Support Assistant. In Windows, search for and open HP Support Assistant. The app opens to your support dashboard, and from here you can view the laptop name, the product number, and the serial number. Use the laptop BIOS. The Basic Input-Output System, or BIOS for short, is a pre-boot menu that contains important information for your laptop. Turn off the laptop. Turn on the laptop and then immediately press the F10 key repeatedly until system information opens. Your laptop name and numbers display. Use the Chromebook Recovery Utility. For Chromebooks, use the Chromebook Recovery Utility to find your Chromebook name and number. Download and install the free version of the Chromebook Recovery Utility from the Chrome Web Store. Open the app and then select Get Started. Follow the prompts in the first step to identify your Chromebook and view the laptop information. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.